In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an appointment scheduler calendar in Dubsado. If you regularly book meetings, consultations, or client calls, creating an appointment scheduler in Dubsado is a great way to automate the booking process. Instead of manually coordinating dates and times, you can let clients choose from your available time slots, making scheduling much more efficient for both you and your clients. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating a new scheduler calendar using Dubsado scheduling templates. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on Events. This section contains all of your scheduling tools and appointment templates. Once you're inside the Events section, click on Schedule Templates. This is where Dubsado stores all of your appointment scheduler templates. If you're creating one for the first time, the list may be empty. If you've already created templates before, you'll see them displayed here and can always come back later to edit or duplicate them. To create a new appointment scheduler, click the plus button. This opens the setup page where you'll begin building your scheduling template. From here, you'll move through the available sections and enter the details for your appointment scheduler. As you go through the setup, you'll configure the information needed for your scheduling page. This includes the appointment details and the various scheduling options that Dubsado provides. Continue working through each section, filling in the appropriate information until your scheduler is fully configured. Taking a few extra moments to review each setting can help ensure your booking page works exactly the way you want. As you complete the setup, you'll continue moving through the scheduler configuration until all of the required details have been entered. Once everything has been reviewed and configured, your appointment scheduler template will be ready to use for future bookings. Having a scheduling template in place makes it much easier to manage appointments because you only need to create it once. After that, you can continue using the same template whenever you need to share your booking availability with clients, helping you maintain a more organized scheduling process. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an appointment scheduler calendar in Dubsado. You can always return to your scheduled templates whenever you want to update the details or make changes as your business grows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.